You want to know what the biggest problem is with typical page builders, the kind of software that's used to build websites online? I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up on my review of Easy Page Builder. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can phone successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip all my intro because, yeah, my dad jokes are really boring. I get it. I know. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products that make money online niche. And why would I just think in my SQL is very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously. Okay, I know you haven't been here for a while. You got taken over by that guy who loves crap and by Kramer and Newman and stuff. But seriously, okay, get a new line. Guy doesn't get a new line, doesn't know how to do it. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. Now, you see, Liz says the same thing every day, but, you know, she's really nice, so what the heck? I can't get angry at her. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. And let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Easy Page Builder, and this is from my mentor, John Thornell. John has become a multi-millionaire from making money online, building these kinds of simple pages and selling stuff online. Now, there's a couple of issues that he tried to address with this particular software. This is actually a software that he personally uses to build most of his websites. Now, I personally, when I build my sites, I build them using WordPress. If you're not familiar with WordPress, it started out as blogging software. It is completely for free. You don't spend a penny for WordPress. It is endlessly customizable. There are millions upon millions of plugins which can add all kinds of features to WordPress. But there's a couple of problems with it. The biggest problem, I think, with it is because of the fact that it is so ubiquitous. It's kind of like Windows, where it's constantly getting hacked. I actually have to keep my WordPress websites up to date with security software because of the fact that people are constantly trying to hack into my websites. I actually have one of my websites get compromised, and the only way I was able to get it back was to basically delete it and start over again. It's a huge problem with WordPress. In addition to that, even though a lot of the page builders are drag and drop, where you basically take different pieces of what you want and drag it onto the page, that can get confusing as well because it doesn't have all the features that you may want. And you may not, and each different thing kind of works a little bit differently. So it's a little bit difficult to work with. Sometimes it's easier and better to have something that is custom built just for pages. Plus, it goes a heck of a lot faster. It'll load so much faster. Now, I already have a big investment in WordPress, but if you're just starting out, or if you want to try something new, this is really going to help you out. This is Easy Page Builder. It's from John Thornhill. John is one of the biggest names in the industry, my personal mentor. The man has literally made millions of dollars using this kind of software. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. Before I do want to get to my custom bonus. First of all, John is going to include for you his graphics mega pack, okay, professional pop-up images, and his header templates, okay. Plus, he's going to give you the targeted traffic training program. All that's going to be included for you when you pick this up directly from him. But if you pick it up from me and only from me, I'm going to give you something that you're not going to get elsewhere. I am going to give you a set of over 40 different video courses. Okay, these are high-end courses you can actually sell, use as a bonus, give them away. Okay, so basically you're going to see once we look at the page builder software, it's actually got an opt-in. You can use it with the opt-in. You can also sell them, so you can create your own products around them. Plus, pick up any upgrade, I'm going to give you the entire Sean Mize collection. Sean is an expert at driving traffic. He now is a coach to coaches, basically. And you're going to be able to get full PLR rights to his products as well. So you can sell them, give them away, use them as a bonus as well. Something that you simply cannot get anywhere else. So let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick here. Now, this is not the same as most page builders. So page builder is basically a software that creates a website. All right. So for example, if you go to maninthehatllc.com, this is my website. I built it with a page builder called Elementor, and I use WordPress to do it. The trouble is, first of all, because it's Elementor on top of WordPress, it's a little bit slower than the Easy Page Builder because of the fact that it has to load a lot more stuff in order for it to work. Now, that's not so much of an issue, but it can be an issue, especially if you have a lot of graphics on your website. The other issue, and the bigger issue that they try to address here, is the fact that WordPress can be quite vulnerable. It's not that WordPress is bad. It's actually a very, very good piece of software. The trouble is that because the fact that it is so ubiquitous, I think about a third of all websites on the internet are built using WordPress. That means that people try to attack constantly. Okay, I have security software installed on my WordPress sites, every single one of them. And there is not a single day that does not go by, literally not a single day that doesn't go by, that I don't get a security alert that somebody tried to hack my websites. Okay, it's constant attacks where people are trying to log in with brute force, trying to figure out a way to get into my websites and actually take them over and use them for themselves. I did have it happen once. I had to actually delete the entire website, restore from a backup. Okay, that was not a fun thing to do because basically they managed to completely destroy everything. It was a product that I created, that I sold. I had to completely delete everything. Fortunately, they weren't able to get into my database, so my customers were safe, but my website itself was completely hacked. I had to completely delete it and start over. It took a couple of days until I got it all figured out. So with Easy Page Builder, because of the fact that it's not ubiquitous, because of the fact that you don't have hundreds of millions or billions of websites based on it, it's a lot harder to hack this software because nobody's putting together something to hack. It's kind of like the difference between using Windows and Mac. I mean, today Mac has become more popular, but at one point, one of the big advantages of using a Mac as opposed to Windows was the fact that there simply wasn't as much hacking software designed around using Mac as opposed to Windows. So let me show you how this works. This is when you log into Easy Page Builder. It's, by the way, very easy to do. He's got a video explaining what to do. Basically, it takes literally about 2 minutes to upload the whole thing and get started. It's super simple. So this is going to be the members area you're going to see, the admin area, rather, you're going to see once you actually log in. And you can see you've got all these different pages. So for example, here's a sales page. Now this is something really, really cool. So basically you can see here that they've already got this whole thing put together for you. But here's something that you can't do with your typical page builder. Every single thing here is completely editable. So you can go ahead and just edit this text, write whatever you like, change it to whatever you want. It's super fast to change everything. And again, you have all your basic stuff here. So you can see here, you can change the color of the text. You can change the background color. You can change the font, okay, styles, whatever you want. You can make all the different things happen instantly. All right, it's super fast. It basically uses a basic editor software like you're probably familiar with from pretty much anything else you've ever used online. But again, the nice thing is because of the fact that it's built to be super fast loading, it means that you're going to lose less sales. And because of the fact that it is not based on WordPress, it means that you don't have to worry about security for your website. I actually spend money for a security plugin for my websites. This just makes it super duper fast. Once you're done, all you're going to do is scroll to the bottom and click save for the sales page settings. And again, you can go ahead and put it on whatever you like. All right. And you have the opt-in page, you have the download pages, you have all these different pages that are ready to roll for you. And then you can actually visit each of them individually and simply start using them right away without having to spend extra money or extra time. It's a one-time thing. Now, I do want to show you the pricing for this as well. You can see here, you can get it for as little as $9.95. Okay, that's a real bargain where basically you just install it and use it as much as you like and just keep editing the pages over and over again. If you do want to go ahead and put it onto more websites, if you're going to have multiple product launches, for example, I would recommend getting the single payment for $28. And again, when you pick it up from me, you are going to be getting over 40 video courses. Now, these are not your typical, that I'm giving you a PDF that I get from a free website. These are video courses they actually paid good money for to buy the licenses for you. You're going to get these video courses plus pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you the full Sean Mize collection with over 40 courses from Sean that you're going to be able to sell, give them away, use them as a bonus. So let's see if I'm going to give it to my other predictor or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you the man. Okay, this is really good. And if you want secure websites that are easy to build, that aren't going to take a long time to put together, grab this one. You're going to love this.